After a trial is over, what happens to all the exhibits and the evidence? You want to learn what happens? Come join me as I share with you this great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law here in the state of New York. So now, during a medical malpractice trial or an accident trial or even a wrongful death trial, during the course of that trial we will now introduce evidence so that now the jury can see that, and now the jury can base their decision upon all the evidence that's presented. So now, after the trial is over, what happens to that? Does the court keep it? Does it go somewhere else? Does it get returned? What actually happens? The reality is that whoever introduces that material now is going to get that information back. Whether it's a poster, whether it's medical records, whether it's a photograph, whether it's a police report, whoever introduced that evidence, now the court says to the attorneys, okay everybody, you take your own evidence and exhibits back. The court wants nothing. They don't want to hold on to anything. Why is that? It's because the court does not want to be responsible for all of that information. And there's no place for the court to store all this information for each and every case. So now, at the end of the case, every attorney is going to take back each of their exhibits, each of the things that they have introduced into evidence, and now they're going to hold on to that. And if there's an appeal, those exhibits are still going to be important. The bottom line is, the court gives everything back to the attorneys. So now, if things were subpoenaed in, each attorney that subpoenaed certain records, they're going to take those with them. And that's the answer to the question. You know, I realize you're watching this because you have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter happened here in New York and you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. This is something I do every single day and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, G-E-R-R-Y, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.